Hi! In the previous videos, we saw what sorting is and we also saw how data is sorted in an ascending order based on one column by numbers and strings. We also used the new word order by and wrote queries to sort the data in the table. In this video, we are going to write queries to sort the data in the table in descending order. We have our workbench open and we are going to see how to sort the data by one column. And now let us go to our classic models database. And here, click on this arrow and we can see tables here. And when you click on this arrow here, we can see all our tables. And here we are going to sort the data in our payments table. Yes. Now, let us take the same example we saw in our previous video. Here, let us sort our payments table in descending order based on one column, which is numbers. In the previous video, I told you that the important point to sort a table is that we should have at least one column name. So to look the data of this payments table, click on the little table here. And here in this section, we can see all the data. Now, let us take the column amount to sort our payments table. Are you ready? Okay, here let us delete this. And we know very well how to write a select query to show all the columns from our payments table. So let us write select space star space right from space and our database name, which is classic models. Put dot and write our table name. Here our table name is payments. So let us click it. Yes. And don't forget to put the semicolon at the end of the query. Now let us click on the flash symbol here to run the query. See, the query we wrote here is run successfully. And here we have the green tick symbol. Okay. Now we also see the output in the output section. Next, we are going to sort this payments table in descending order based on one column, which is the amount column. Okay, I will tell you now how to sort the table by amount column in descending order. Let us press enter and write select space star space from and write our database name, which is classic models. Put dot and our table name, which is payments. Space, we know very well we use the new word called order by to sort the data in the table. So let us write order by and here we are going to sort it by this column name which is called amount. So we write amount. And as I told you, we are going to sort it in descending order. So we have to write DESC, which is the short form for descending order. And now put semicolon at the end of the query. Now, let us click on the flash symbol to run these queries. See here at the bottom, the last two lines or the two queries we wrote here and they are run successfully. And here in the output section, we can see two tabs. The first tab shows the output of the first query and the second tab shows the output of the second query. Okay, here in the first output, we can see all the data from our payments table. And here in the second tab also we can see the data, but this data is sorted and it is based on this amount column in descending order. Can you see in the first output, the amount value here is 6066.78. And here in the second output, you can see we have the biggest number here in the amount. It is 1,20,000. Yes. So we can see the difference between our first output and the second output. Here the data is before sorting and here the data is after sorting. And also you can see that the customer number is 141 in our second output and it is 103 in our first output, which means the amount value which has the biggest number, the entire row has moved to the topmost place. So can you see the difference in the output before sorting and after sorting? Yes, because this column amount has been sorted in descending order. So the biggest number comes on the top and the entire row has moved up And you can also see the data of all the other columns, and their rows are also moved up or down accordingly. We have sorted this table by one column, which is the amount, and we have done it by numbers from big to small. So now, shall we sort the data in the table in descending order by one column, which is a string? Okay, let us see how to sort the data in the table in descending order by strings in the next video. Until then, bye.